Hi guys, hope you guys are well. Thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button. I am JojoFine01 and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. Okay guys, for today's video I'm just going to be sharing with you some accessories, wristwatches, right, that was sent to me by Movement. They are known by MVMT, that is their name, but their full name is called Movement. So they sent me some of their accessories to share with you guys if you're interested, and I have some percentage off, so let me show you guys. Okay, so they sent me 3 products. They sent me 2 wristwatch and 1 sunshade. So the package looks like this when it comes. When you open it, you have another box inside it, which looks like this. Foam inside to protect the wristwatch, and you have the wristwatch in here in a very nice package. Then it has their name on there. MVMT. Like the price of this wristwatch with the quality that you see here, you are going to be blown away. And you get 15% off of this watch. So their wristwatch retail for like 80 something pounds, 70 something pounds to 100 pounds, like 100 and something pounds. So I think that is the highest that they do, 100 and something pounds. But I'll leave the details of their website at the description bar. And guys, they do free shipping, guys, worldwide. Free shipping worldwide. Can you beat that? Free shipping worldwide. So this is the one I'm wearing on my hand right now. I'm wearing the gold on my hand. As you can see, it looks really, really nice on the hand. Then, and this is the black. And they have another shade in rose gold. So, and they have this right here for you to adjust it. If the watch is too tight, you can add more to the wristwatch. And their packaging looks really nice. I've been wearing my DKNY, so I'm going to compare it to the DKNY for you guys to see. Like this, like this is the DKNY. There's nothing much to say about that. They look quite similar, just that there's a ghost thought right here because they have a design like this on their website, but I went for the design because I have the DKNY design already, so I didn't want to go for this. DKNY is more heavy, but the DKNY retail for like close to 300 pounds, if not even more. I can't remember now. This right here is just 100 pounds, like 109 pounds, or yeah, 100 or something pounds. I'll leave the price on the video. This fits me really well. I didn't have to add anything, so this fits really well. So it's quite nice, guys. So this is like all black because I don't have all black wristwatch, so it's just the same as this on my hand. So the black looks really nice. So those are the 2 watches. In a way, I actually prefer the black than the gold. I just like the way the black is just all black. Like maybe because I don't have all black wristwatch, so maybe that's why I'm curious about the black. I just like the black. So let me show you the glasses that they sent me. So the glasses also come in this cute case right here. It has the name MVMT on it, so it has their name on it. It comes in a case. I can't wait to rock this in summer. Then you get 15% off for a friend when you buy from them. So this is how the glasses looks like. Inside is very nice packaging, guys. Just like this. I look buff, man. I look so cute on this. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this. Oh, this is really nice. I like it. Oh, I like this. Sent me. Those are the 3 things that they sent me. So all the details that you need to know about Movement, the MVMT watches, will be at the description bar. So if you have more questions about them, please ask me at the comment section. Like, this is a good deal. Watches for an affordable price. Who don't need that? Who don't need that? Who does not want to look cute on the budget? Like, who doesn't want to look cute? Like, look at me. Like, look at my hand. if I'm out, somebody will think I'm wearing like a very expensive watch, right? Don't tell anyone. This is between me and you. You know, if you have any more questions that you want to ask me about them, please ask me at the comment section. And 15% off, you know, everybody need money off of everything, okay? And it's free shipping worldwide. You don't even need to pay for shipping, okay? So tell your friends about it. If you want to buy a gift for your sisters, your mother, your friends, your husband, anybody you want to buy a gift for, and you can just go to the website and get yourself one, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to MVMT for sending me their products. I love it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.